Welcome to today's video. Today's video I'm going to be showing how to install a K&N filter on your Ford Explorer with the 2.3. Stay tuned.
Music bed.
This is going to be a very simple process to install the air filter. Now, if you're only changing your regular air filter, you don't have to do a K&N. You can just install Motorcraft, whatever, Wick, whatever brand you want to do. So this is the same process to do this. So you can follow along. First things first, get inside your vehicle. Open the hood. So on these, you have to pull the lever twice. And then I'm gonna open this because one hand's gonna be a little hard. Give me 1 second here. So with your hood open, this is where the air filter box is. Very easy to get to right up front. I'm gonna start by disconnecting this little temperature sensor that's right here up front. You just squeeze it and pull it back. And all we're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver. This just makes it easier to pull the lid off. Loosen the hose clamp here. Again, same process if you're just gonna change your regular air filter. And we're just gonna push this out of the way. It's a little tight, but comes right off. Undo these little clips, and then you're just gonna lift straight up. All right, now the filter just sits in here, so I'm gonna take this off. Now I had already checked this before, but the vehicle's about 30,000 miles, which this is pretty dirty. I actually already hit it on the floor before. There was a bunch of dirt in here, so definitely time to change that out. Gonna get the K&N one. K&N filter runs about $65, so it is more expensive than, regular filters, about $20 or so. You could probably get one on Amazon for a little bit less, maybe 15. But the nice thing with this is you can just wash it, reuse it a bunch of times. So comes with the little decal here to register for the warranty on it. It's already pre-oiled when they come, so that's why they have that purple look to them. But if you're doing the regular filter, then you're just going to install the regular filter back in here. And I vacuumed the air box here previously, but same thing, right? You can, go ahead and vacuum that air box if it's dirty, there's dirt in there, anything like that. Sometimes depends where you live. If there's like a nest of, squirrels or mouse or anything, clean all that out. Drop the filter in, just sits right in there. And then you make sure to put the little tabs on the back. And you're just gonna push it down. And then I'm just gonna guide it in here and push this in. Get the locks in here. Okay, connect this little sensor, don't forget that. And lastly, tying up the hose clamp. And you're all set. With the K&N filters, you can put the little do not discard decal right up here. That just lets, if you ever take it to service, people know not to throw away the filter and put a regular paper one. So we can put that in here. Well, let's see, if we do the Canon one, I don't think we can fit both of them in there. So I'm just gonna do this one right here on the center. I don't think I would put the Canon in there, but you can, you know, or you don't have to do any of those really. That's not a requirement. Although the decal is going to add you about 5 horsepower if you do put it on there. So once that's done, just start up the vehicle, make sure it idles okay. There shouldn't be no problem. But that's it. Pretty simple. If you're changing it with the factory style filter, same process. Just start it up, make sure everything is good. You're good to go. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Pretty short video. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.